Today's featured Vengeant apparatus is from our friends at American Hose, Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Today we're featuring our lifted Blizzard F550 Ford chassis with a buck stop stage 3 lift kit. We'll start in the front. We have two FireTech brow lights, two M6 Whelen warning lights, and two grommet mounted ions, along with our custom painted buck stop tow hooks and a 2-inch receiver for the customer's choosing for what they want to do. We'll move to the side of the vehicle. On the front fenders, we have our Whelen 500Vs with puddle lights. We have our custom market graphics we have a set of amp research steps. We move back to our pump panel. We have a 1500 GPM Hale DSD pump with 300 gallons of water. We're using customer supplied TFT intake relief valves. We have two cross lays capable of holding 200 feet of 1 3/4 hose. We have a custom cross lay cover from DNS Covers. We're using Kuzma auto eject with an auto charge 1000. We have M9 warning lights high, along with the Guardian series FireTech scene lights. Under the truck, we feature Technic E10 ground lights. We have Zyco wheel chocks. This truck also features a Wilbert night scan light tower and a custom light tower shroud designed by Vengeant Apparatus, and all the graphics done in-house by Market Graphics. As we move to the back of the vehicle, you're going to find our custom Vengeant bumper, another set of Whelen M9 warning lights, and the Guardian series scene lights. Innovative control backlit steps, Hansen backlit grab rails. Our custom design for our backup camera integrates the backup camera into the 4 and 7 plug hitch area. Customer called out a custom design for the rear of the apparatus, which included a T-tank so their ladders storage could slide up the sides. Customer is going to store two fire extinguishers in the rear, and they have a 2.5-inch rear discharge, and they're going to do a pre-connected attack line in the rear of the apparatus. Also featured to the rear is custom lettered DNS hose bed cover and two storage compartments for their set of suction hose. We also feature a set of Zyco pull out and down steps, and the Whelen 600 series stop tail turn reverse light in a 4-pod housing. We have a set of custom Vengeant mud flaps on the apparatus. Our compartment features is our PPC coating in black, which is all done in-house, and a set of customer specified the amount of shelves they want in each compartment. In this compartment, the customer called out a out and down deploy shelf, which the hardware was purchased from General Devices, and then everything else was fabricated in-house. We did some custom tool mounting for the customer. They needed an SCBA, and a set of irons in this compartment. So we mounted that to the customer's specifications. Pump panel on this side includes a customer supplied TFT electronic intake relief valve, which is controlled from the driver's side of the vehicle on the pump panel. Once again, we're featuring our custom designed market graphics. And the truck also features a Whelen Liberty 2 light bar. We'll meet you inside for the look around inside. Good. Welcome back. We're going to go over some of the features on the inside of the cab. We're featuring our Just Box It custom console. So we removed the back seats, installed a set of Bostrom SCBA seats with the Smart Dock system. And then the room left in between, we fabricated a custom console from front to rear. That console, like I said, is custom made by our Just Box It division here at Vengeant Apparatus and 911 Rapid Response. Then we did some custom mounting. We mounted customer supplied stream lights, a customer supplied thermal imaging camera, and a battery bank, which is all wired and mounted by our staff here at Vengeant Apparatus. The front of the console features cup holders, a radio faceplate, which the customer will install the radio at a later date. We also feature our Whelen Core control head, a hot USB, a sink extension, and a door jar light. Also on the outside of the console, we feature the auto charge 1000 bar graph. We removed the rear view mirror and installed the Roscoe camera screen for the customer viewing when the vehicle goes in reverse. I'd like to thank our friends at American Hose, Pottsville, Pennsylvania, for trusting in Vengeant Apparatus to build your lift and mini pumper. I'd also like to thank our sales team at Glick Fire Apparatus, who sold this vehicle. They're in our dealer network. Check us out at vengeantapparatus.com for your next build.